So we're here at Laser, right?
I'm just gonna mark you real quick.
Okay.
Ready?
As ready as it's gonna be.
Starting now. Alright, yeah, you're gonna feel it more.
Yeah, I know.
Ready?
Yep.
If you need a break, just let me know. Ready?
So for everyone that has ass, does it hurt? Yes.
Ready?
Yep. Woo!
Ready?
Yep.
Sorry. Almost done. Couple more. Okay, all done with that.
Woo. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, so I just left Laser away. I don't even know what session I'm on, but I will tell you that my ass is on fire. But I'm with my friend Cheyenne. She wanna be grown and drag me to Sephora. I ain't got no money to spend, so I'ma try to behave, but we don't know how that shit go.
I'm about to get real
Oh yeah, I see she lit. She lit. She got some lashes.
Thank you. See you
So now she wanna be grown and get some foundation. So we about to go into Sephora and see what they got. Wednesday. It is December 5th. What do I have to do? So I need to edit 2 videos, or at least finishing today's videos for the most part. So by the time you see this, I'll have already posted those things. So I have to finish up 2 videos, get those uploaded at least, hopefully by like 1 o'clock the latest. I do have an event tonight. So of course, stay tuned. I'll definitely take you guys to the event with me. All right, so I know I said I had work to do, but I am starving. So I need to figure out something to eat very quickly because I have a shit ton of work to do. And it's already after 11. All right, so I had to make something to eat really quick, or drink for the most part. I'm gonna have a smoothie. So this is my normal smoothie that I pretty much make all the time because it's a taste that I'm very comfortable with. But this is coconut water, blackberries, blueberries, a little bit of honey, a whole banana, strawberry almond milk yogurt, and a handful of like a spinach and kale mix, and some ice just to kind of like thicken it up but also make it a little colder. But this is, like I said, a taste that I'm very familiar with, so I figured I would just drink one of these while I'm doing work so that I don't have to take too much time. And if you aren't subscribed already, please make sure that you guys subscribe. So yeah, keep on watching.